Hi everyone, good morning.
So yeah guys, we're waiting for the typhoon. Have typhoon coming, and it said it's really strong one too, like Odette. So we're getting ready today. We have to put all the flowers to the kitchen. We hide some of the flowers to the kitchen and to the family villa. So yeah, we all got worried. Hopefully guys, hindi masira yung bahay like before. I mean, hindi naman nasira, na-damage yung bahay namin, but our fence, tsaka yung mga kahoy, yun ang natumba before. Hi guys, yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's blackout, but thanks God we have generator. Blackout in Taliban started like 10 sa gabi, 10 p.m. But then in Nanda, the blackout started at 12 sa gabi. But thanks God we have generators, so we still have lights and the cameras on. The wind really gets stronger and it's scary, but it's not like Odette yet, but it's almost there. Six early in the morning, guys. This is our flowers. We put it here in the kitchen, and the generator is on. So yeah, of course, it's blackout. Yan, lakas ng hangin guys. Category 4 na daw eh. Signal number 4. Ganon din yung ulit, signal number 4 din kami sa Anda.
okay. Wala man mga daot ang bulak.